Oh, g'day guys, welcome to Arthur's videos. Mate, have I got a doozy? I'm sticking it out, I'm poking it out. Check this out, what my R&D department came up, or marketing department came up. They got rid of, he wanted me to get rid of that piece of paper that I was holding up there basically. You know, now I got all my sponsors down the bottom there they are. You know, you shoved Rick and Morty down the bottom there, Google his eyes out. All right, there you go. Check that out, man. We're moving up in the world. The year's nearly over and we've moved up to the world. All right, there you go. You've read all the terms and conditions and that. All right, so, all right, the box is out. All right, as I said, I've come up with another doozy. All right, good day, everybody's enjoy. But, you know, before I waffle on, I've got my cup in. I think I think we're getting a see-through cup glass now. There's a tumbler for it, you know. So, yep, you know the old saying is, yeah, man, get a yumcha into you, man. Get a yumcha and shut the fuck up. Oh shit! Oh, all right, here we got the yumcha cup. All right, no wonder I make these videos for kids, mate. You know what I mean? Oh my god, that's a good pour today. You know, yeah. It's been up and down at the end of the year. You know, the weather's been up and down like a yo-yo. So, guys, there it is. It's in the cup. Cheers. Okay. Yeah, we know what the top is going to be because it's going to be on the top there. So I've got to finish it off. I finished it off a few days ago, and I went and got it and tested it out. So, yep. What's this topic is? That's right. It's the skill tester boards that I repaired. All right, let's get rid of the box. All right, I'm going to pull it out. Here's the first one. Here's the first board I've done. All right, there it is there. I've got my glasses on so I can sort of see and talk about it. So, okay, I've pissed off the RAM. I've put a non-volatile RAM in this now. Okay, that's what I've been doing with all of them. Now, the boys from, I reached out to the boys in, from Geeks PCB, and I've got them to make me some boards. As I said, I've got them made, you know. There they are, got them all designed, you know, for all the different RAMs. I'll build them myself, you know. It has a flat pack, it's cheaper. Okay, so there you go. You can contact them, you'll get them in a flat pack. You've got to build them yourself. All right. So I've got these now, all these made up now. I don't have to rely on out of stupid China for the on the slow boat. So what I've done with this is remember my last video, check that other video that I've had. Okay, it's had the battery acid around here. I've got 3 of them to show you, okay? So I've cleaned it all up. I've done the repair track. So what I've done is, I know this is standing up like a sucker's hemorrhoid coming out of someone's arsehole. This is a wire wrap socket, okay? The reason I've done this, I lifted it up off the board. Yeah, man, why don't you just put a machine socket and solder underneath and just run all the wires underneath? No, I didn't want to do that, okay? It's repaired now. I've done the track repair. I'm going to hold it slowly so you guys can sort of see. Okay, I'm going to flip it over here so you can sort of see what I've done, basically. See the repair. That was with the battery. This is not bad, this one. Okay, I've run a bit of wire to the tracks from underneath there. Got to get the screwdriver out rather than giving you my finger. Well, where's the screwdriver? Okay, I found one for you guys. Instead of seeing my nails. I know I haven't got them manicured again from my missus. So what I've done is I've run little wires across the tracks here. All right, and put jump resistor legs to do this. So that way I put a bit of solder here on top of the board. So the track, because the veer hole, okay, hasn't got penetration, so I've put a bit of solder all there. So I've done it, I've tried to make it nice and neat so you can sort of see I've done a stent because I listened to Jim the cardiologist. He's actually got now a few more stents in him. So I put a new stent right on new track, basically. What's this got to do with heart problems? All right, it's just a joke. It's an inside joke with them. Okay, so I've done the track repair. I've put a bit of wire to do this over here. Basically, you can sort of see it, you know. Okay, and one of my questions I had asked, somebody goes, how do you adjust the claw? You know, so, you know, when we rip off little kids, you know. So what happens with this board here, these had here, see where the hot sticky load is, okay, there's 3 pots here, okay, but they've got a plug on it. So what they've done now is the machine, the board was inside the machine, so you can't reach it. It was idiot. It's stupid. So what they designed, some guy, I don't know who it was, said, can you put them in the when you open the front door there, and there are these knobs, these big knobs, you know, these volume pots, you know what I mean? So it's similar to, I haven't got one for this stupid thing. Yeah, it's a volume pot, you know, a big pot that you go, everybody needs a bit of pot. Okay, don't even. You've got to love it, all right? You've got to love my videos. It's unplanned. I just come at it with something. And on front, inside where the cash box is, where the money goes in, there's a meter similar to this. Don't look at this. This is DC, all right? Don't look at DC, okay? This is an amp meter. There's one that's called a voltmeter, okay? Similar to this. It's idiot-proof. It's vision impaired, so people can sort of see it. So what happens is you can adjust hang on, I'll put my finger here. You can adjust the knob inside to the voltage of the strength of your claw. So once you adjust that, the claw is adjusted to that voltage basically. So there's a meter in there, so you don't have to carry your own meter. So they made it like this in some machines basically. So when you adjust the grabs, it's always the same, so we can rip off those little kitties again. You know what I mean? So the next time you put it in, you go down, you get the your Tom and Jerry toys when you grab them, you know, when you go down, it's always the same voltage for the next person, basically, you know. So each machine runs slightly different, but this one here has got the plug there, which goes to the knobs in the front to adjust the voltage. As I said, there's the voltage to adjust it. So most of it, because your claw that goes down is 48 volts. Okay, so the three fingers, when it grabs the toy, okay, you can adjust it and to pick up your toys, basically. So that's it. But the motors, you go backwards and forwards, you know. Oh, I'm giving you the fucking finger. I can't fucking believe it. When the gantry goes left and right, okay, it's 24 volts. So it goes, and it's up and down. But the coil that holds the coil is 48 volts. So yeah, this is what I've done with this guy's board. This one here, you can sort of see I've cleaned it all up. Okay, you can sort of see I haven't butchered it, you know. I've got to ship it out because he's found a location for these couple of cranes to go out. That's this one here. Now, okay, here's this other guy. Here's this other one here. This one here is not bad. Dude, I always say to you, always go and play the videos on... Hey, you can sort of see that... I was motor mechanic not long ago. You can sort of see how my fingers cracked, okay? So, no, I haven't stuck it in my arsehole, all right? So, you can sort of see this one here, how good this board is. See, it hasn't been molested. Okay, the battery didn't die on this. It was saved pretty quickly because, as I said to you, check it all out. There's another one of those things. Okay, again, I had to wait for these bloody wire wrap sockets to come out of the US. They're getting harder and harder to find, man. So another one of those, I had to put another stent cable in there, run the wires inside there. You can sort of see it. Then I'm going to show you, hold it there. All right. So again, you can sort of see what I've done with this guy here. I'll flip it around. You can sort of see how, there it is here. You can sort of see how I got the track. I built it up there, you know. It's like you're been welding. So I've got a bit of wire going up all the way up to the top here. So I could make the contact and all this shit. So all this. So at the same time, I've wrote all the details from left to right, where they're all going and all this. Basically, I was doing all the track works. Dude, there is no circuit diagram for this guy. There is no circuit diagram. So I actually sat down and actually drawing it all up, basically. You can sort of see what I've done. I haven't cleaned it for you guys, so you can sort of see what it is, basically. So this was not bad. So I was using this one here to fix the other boards because I could sort of see the tracks where they're going from, because they're going from ramp to here. They're all going around down to the Oki chip here and all this shit. But as I said, that one there, that volume pot there, that's for your audio. So if you adjust that, because that's the audio section, basically, you know. So that's that, basically. Now here comes the kicker. All right. Here comes a kicker. As I said to you guys, where is my other sign? I fucking lost it. Where is it? Where the hell is it? Oh my God, I've lost it. No, it isn't here. As I said, I found it. You know, you don't mind it. Yeah, here's my notes. If you want, drop a message. Tell me what you want to talk about. Reach out, whatever it is. Just reach out to me here. You know what I mean? So, what I'm saying now, here comes the kicker. Okay, this is. And this one is pretty fucked, okay? This one here, all right? Remember this one. Dude, I tried doing my best repairs, okay? This one here is pretty bad. Play the video, man. Go and play the video. I've cleaned it all up, scraped it, run more legs, more wires, checked all the tracks, continuities. Again, I've done all this, do the repairs. This board is pretty fucked, okay? I've just said this side was not bad, but this here has been repaired by somebody else, okay? And I'll try to clean it all up and do the same thing, checking all the tracks and that. And now this guy here said the coin mech was the fault on this board, all right? As I said, there's no track repairs underneath. You can sort of see it. It's all done from the top, you know. What happened with this guy, I went and plugged it in, you know. The other two boards are working. I had a bit of a bulge in my pants, you know, but as I said to you, it was not bad, you know. It wasn't bad, you know what I mean? Seriously, I was impressed, you know. But this guy here, what happened with this poor bastard, he doesn't want to work. What it does is the game starts, you know. You start the coin, you put the money in, it goes, comes to the middle, no sound. There's no up and down, left and right to the joystick, and there's no drop, okay, at all. But I was telling somebody about one of my my bulges in my pocket, in my pants, and what this guy did, he actually sent me this. All right, I got to watch this.
There really is a lot of stiffness.
Yes, I
know. All right. Have a look at that.
There really is a lot of stiffness.
know. Yes, I
know. All right. You won't see that on TV anymore, mate. It's been banned, all right? So I didn't have a stiffness like that when those were walking. They were working, basically. All right? But, yeah, so I gave up on this. I said to the guy, I said, mate, I don't know what to do. Okay. He goes, oh, look, send the other two. You'll be happy. All right, I had a quick geezer when I got back. I checked my work again, and I just don't know. I just got me fucked because the problem is I can't sort of see. I've done all my track works. I checked the veer holes. See the little veer holes? That goes to the bottom of the board, basically, and all this shit. So I've got to sort of see where it goes, basically, you know. Basically, you know, if it goes top to bottom where the problem is, you know what I mean? But as I said, you know, it's not that easy. Sometimes you've got to give up, you know. So I've given up on this one. You go, just that's fine. Do the other two. It's fine. Basically, so sometimes, you know, as I said, I'll get back to this. I'll work around it. See where my fuck up is. It's you know what, this is what happens with batteries. Like I said to you, always get a board with batteries. Remove the batteries. Keep an eye on it. If you got a battery, you put it on there. Keep an eye on it. But a lot of these operators are just lazy. They don't want to. You know, they don't want to. Just check in there to open up the door to have a look at it. All they worried about what's in the cash box, you know what I mean? But then when the shit hits the fan, they get it in the cooler, mate. Then they're wondering, oh, what are we going to do now? You know what I mean? But as I said, you know, it doesn't take much time to check it out. You know, you see all my other videos, all battery acids and all this shit that I keep talking about. But as I said, I've just given up on this board here at the moment. So as I said, I reckon it's something stupid, basically, you know. It is something stupid. It's not the CPU, it's not the chips, it's not that. I've checked all that out. It's something to do to communication with the software. I've got to find out, you know what I mean? But as I said, I don't normally give up. So, as I said, that's about on skill testers. I think I've answered the question that somebody else said. Like I said, drop me a message. I'll explain to you how it works. But yeah, how this one works is just got pots there, you adjust the voltage. So on that note, guys, you know, cheers for watching it. If you like it, you can give me the thumb or you can give me the finger. You know, as I said, that's how skill testers work. You know what I mean? So, guys, thanks for watching this video. Cheers.